Hey YouTube fam, this is Old Diva 57. I'm getting ready to make some baked chicken. These are the ingredients that I'm using. I'm trying to stay away from the salt, so I just put a little Goya seasoning, and that'll be for my flavor. And this is what the chicken looks like so far. And then I'm going to mix it with my loving cooking hand. And then we're going to pop that baby in the oven. All right, bye. Okay, that's what it looks like when I mixed all the seasonings together. So I'm just going to let it sit for a little while I'm working. And then about an hour or so, I'll put it in the oven. Alrighty, bye. Okay, I'm back. It's time to put the chicken in the oven. I'm putting a little bit of olive oil in here. Okay, here's the chicken. Coated it up. That look good, don't it? I know. It's gonna taste good too. So now I'm putting all the goodies in there. Okay, I put the chicken in a glass dish. I added a little olive oil to the bottom. I'm gonna cover up with the aluminum foil, and I'm gonna put in the oven for about 40 minutes on 350. Chicken done. I had made some chicken broth stock, and it was in the freezer, so I took it out. So I added some carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower. And then I'm gonna add two of my chicken legs to that. And that will be my meal for the evening and lunch for tomorrow. Alrighty, that's it. Goodbye.